thrill of speed, fastest sports cars of all time. Sports cars have always captured the hearts and imaginations of car enthusiasts around the world. From their sleek designs to their powerful engines, sports cars embody the thrill of speed and the pursuit of performance. In this video, we will explore the fastest sports cars of all time, which showcase their incredible speed, innovative technologies, and remarkable engineering achievements. So fasten your seatbelts and join us on this exhilarating journey through automotive history. The birth of speed, a brief history of sports cars. Before we dive into the world of the fastest sports cars, let's take a moment to understand the origins of these high-performance machines. Sports cars trace their roots back to the early 20th century, when automobile manufacturers began producing vehicles specifically designed for speed and agility. The desire for faster and more exciting driving experiences led to the development of lightweight chassis, aerodynamic bodies, and powerful engines. The thrill of speed, fastest sports cars of all time. One of the most iconic and awe-inspiring sports cars ever created is the Bugatti Veyron. Introduced in 2005, the Veyron shattered all previous speed records and became an instant legend in the automotive world. It was the fastest production car for many years, with a top speed of over 250 miles per hour. The Veyron's unparalleled performance is made possible by its monstrous 8.0-liter W16 engine, which produces a staggering 1,001 horsepower. The combination of its aerodynamic design and sheer power allows the Veyron to achieve mind-boggling acceleration and extraordinary top speeds. The McLaren F1, a timeless masterpiece. Regarding timeless design and engineering brilliance, the McLaren F1 is in a league of its own. Released in 1992, the F1 was the fastest car of its time and a technological marvel. Its revolutionary carbon fiber chassis, gold-lined engine bay, and centrally positioned driver's seat made it a masterpiece. Powered by a BMW-built V12 engine, the McLaren F1 could reach a top speed of 240 miles per hour. Even after decades, it continues to be regarded as one of the greatest sports cars ever produced. Pushing the limits, advancements in speed and performance. The pursuit of speed has been a driving force behind the evolution of sports cars. Automotive engineers and designers constantly push the boundaries of what is possible, resulting in groundbreaking advancements in speed and performance. Let's explore some notable developments that have shaped the world of sports cars. Turbocharging, unleashing the power within. One of the most significant advancements in sports car technology has been the widespread adoption of turbocharging. By forcing more air into the engine, turbochargers dramatically increase horsepower and torque, which delivers exhilarating acceleration and top speeds. Sports cars like the Porsche 911 Turbo and the Nissan GT-R have utilized turbocharging to achieve remarkable performance without sacrificing efficiency. Lightweight materials, shedding excess weight. Sports car manufacturers have turned to lightweight materials such as carbon fiber and aluminium to maximize speed and handling. These materials offer exceptional strength while reducing overall weight, improving agility and faster lap times. The Chevrolet Corvette C8, for example, it features a lightweight, carbon fiber-intensive structure that contributes to its exceptional performance on the track. Aerodynamics, slicing through the air. Another key aspect of speed optimization is aerodynamics. Sports cars are meticulously designed to minimize drag and maximize downforce, allowing them to cut through the air with minimal resistance. Wing spoilers, diffusers, and sleek body shapes enhance stability and achieve higher top speeds. The Lamborghini Aventador SVJ, with its aggressive aerodynamic features, exemplifies how advanced airflow management can enhance performance. Final verdict. The thrill of speed has always captivated car enthusiasts, and sports cars embody that passion. From the Bugatti Veyron to the McLaren F1, these machines push the boundaries of what is possible in terms of speed and performance. With advancements in technology, the world of sports cars continues to evolve, promising even more excitement for enthusiasts in the future. So, buckle up and get ready to experience the exhilarating journey of the fastest sports cars ever.